Oh.
On a quiet night, in a little bedroom under the stars, a girl's adventure begins.
What's happening?
The telescope revealed something more than the stars, a secret map of light.
T is real. It's really here. Are we really going to do this?
Symbols danced like constellations, shifting only when they touched together.
Do you see that? It's not just stars, it's a path.
Lost. Stress.
A starlit path stretched across their walls, haunting to the night sky.
But where does it even lead? Whoa, it's moving all by itself.
A doorway among the stars, and a ship waiting to be found.
It's alive. It has a heartbeat.
Together, they step into the unknown. The earth grows smaller, the universe grows vast. But wonder comes with danger. The stars hit a storm of light. Fear and joy collided as the gateway swallowed them whole.
It's more beautiful than I ever dreamed.
And so, their journey among the stars began, guided by light, bound by friendship. The adventure was only the beginning.
Don't be afraid. We're together. Hold on tight. We'll make it through.
Jadi, kalau dia lapar, like kun, tak baik kun, like kun, tak baik kun.